To know setting of instrument, press setting key to enter in mode of operation. After press setting key first time, it shows selection of vector group. Select number of vector group and then press enter to select vector group. Now, press setting key second time, it shows enter calculated or nominal ratio. So here, enter calculated ratio. And then press enter key. After press enter key, it shows average sample. You can select average sample from 1 to 10. Select as per requirement and then press enter. It shows set test mode page. Here it shows two options, first auto mode and second manual mode. In auto mode, instrument measures turns ratio of R, Y and B phase automatically and shows result. In manual mode, you have to lock data manually and then change phase for measurement by pressing 4, 5 and 6 key. Here, auto and manual mode select by arrow key. Here we select auto mode and then press enter key again. It shows first group selection page. Now to exit from setting mode, press escape key and it will exit from setting page of instrument. Now connect HV lead of instrument at HV side of transformer and LV lead of instrument at LV side of transformer. Now start test after connection.